Welcome to the channel. Nice to meet you all, and I hope everyone's still in good shape so far. Well, today I'm going to share you a tutorial distortion text. So I've done this one long time ago by using an old ways and many steps and hard ways. I find out new applications inside of Canva that as we know that Canva has many updates right now. I couldn't even more mention, but so how to make a distortion text through a new application. Watch my work. The file that I use is the old file that I've used a long time ago, but I'm going to reuse again so that it can easy to recognize. Anyway, the text file, original one, I didn't change yet into PNG format. Before we go further to the distortion text, so we need to change this original file, the text file, into PNG. Just click this file is over here, the original one, and then go click here share button, and after that go to download button, and after that you can just choose the file type. You can choose this one, PNG. I recommend for you with that, and just click this transparent background and make sure this one is already current page so it's easy to download it. And after that you can just hit this button download. I'm not going there anymore because I did it already. Just go to upload and you can upload the files that you just downloaded. All right, I've done mine in here, so we just go through to the application that I just mentioned right now. So the name of this application is Warp Brush. So this is the application's name is Warp Brush, to create a distortion text like this here. Okay, so one more time is the Warp Brush. So that's the name. So after you got this one, you will get this application on the top and just click it. And as you can see here that this application, it won't work if the file original is still text. All right, so this one, the original file, and because I have already the format PNG, and now this one suddenly it will change and it will work. It's easy, you just click which one you like. On this warp brush there is three options in here, is warp, grow, and shrink. Okay, so how does it look like? Warp something like this, let's see, and then you just hold your mouse and click okay, or run over the text all the way down. Okay, make sure something like that. So that's the distortion text, the same, almost the same like I did it here a long time ago. So with the grow options and how it works. So this is the grow, it seems like a fish eye. And then the shrink, let's check with the shrink. All right, so that's the shrink variations, options, and it seems like that when you just click and hold, do not lose, and it will make an effect, shrink effect over the text that had been formatted into PNG. All right, so because our aim is just to do the same like I've done this one long time ago. And again, let's go back and then let's focus, do this warp effect on this text over here. So if you want to the brush, you want to make it short, small, you can adjust the brush, and after that make sure you do just click for a while on top of it, and then after that you can drag. Okay, you can drag the brush over it, don't lose it. You can click while dragging. Okay, click while dragging. So that's the effect that you can produce. And even though you can make it more than one, or over here as well, you can do it. Okay, so that's the benefit of this applications, warp applications brush, easily in short ways without hard ways. Okay, how about if we can combine these two effects over here? All right, let's make again here warp text over here. I will just make it small, the brush, and then click a little bit, and I will just drag down. There you go. And then I will choose this grow. Okay, so I will just do this one. Okay, it works. Okay, if you can combine with three options this effect, you can do it. That's the result if you are using three options in one time on one file. So guys, that's all about, and I hope you are happy to see this tutorial, and I'm just done, and yours is just the beginning. And if you think this tutorial is useful for you guys, you can subscribe for more. And thank you, and see you again.